Today, we'll focus on an important IELTS Writing Task 1 skill, expressing increase effectively. Many students repeat the same word, which makes their writing repetitive and limits their vocabulary score. To help you improve, I'll show you various ways to describe upward trends using different verbs, nouns, and phrases. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a strong set of expressions to make your writing more precise and impressive. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the future videos. Let's get started. First, let's start with some basic synonyms for increase. Rise. Example:
The number of students studying abroad has risen significantly over the past decade.
grow. Example:
The demand for renewable energy has grown rapidly in recent years.
climb. Example:
Unemployment rates climbed steadily during the economic crisis.
go up. Example:
The price of housing has gone up dramatically in urban areas.
next, we'll explore more advanced vocabulary to make your writing more sophisticated. Surge. Example:
There has been a surge in online shopping since the pandemic began.
escalate. Example:
The cost of living has escalated in many developed countries.
soar. Example: the use of social media has soared among teenagers. Skyrocket.
Example: The popularity of electric vehicles has skyrocketed in the last 5 years.
Another effective way to express an increase is by using nouns. Growth. Example:
There has been significant growth in the number of people working remotely.
rise. Example:
A sharp rise in crime rates has been observed in some cities.
upturn. Example:
The economy has experienced an upturn in the last quarter.
expansion. Example:
The expansion of the tourism industry has created many job opportunities.
to emphasize the degree of increase, you can use adjectives and adverbs. Significant. Example:
There has been a significant increase in the use of public transportation.
dramatic. Example:
The population of the city has increased dramatically over the last 20 years.
steady. Example:
The company's profits have been rising steadily since 2010.
sharp. Example:
There was a sharp rise in oil prices last year.
using verbs with prepositions is also a great way to describe upward trends naturally. Increase by. Example:
The population increased by 10% in 5 years.
rise to. Example:
The temperature rose to 40 degrees Celsius last summer.
grow from. To. Example:
The number of internet users grew from 1 billion to 5 billion in 2 decades.
comparative structures help express general trend increases clearly. More than. Example:
People are spending more than ever on luxury goods.
higher than. Example:
The level of pollution is higher than it was 10 years ago.
greater than. Example:
The demand for electric cars is greater than it was in the past.
you can also use specific phrases to describe trends effectively. On the rise. Example:
Obesity rates are on the rise in many developed countries.
witness an increase. Example:
The city has witnessed a steady increase in tourism.
Experience a boost. Example,
The local economy experienced a boost after the new policy was introduced.
finally, using percentages and numbers is a common and precise way to present data in Task 1. Double, triple. Example,
The number of smartphone users has doubled in the last 5 years.
by percent. Example,
Sales of electric vehicles increased by 50% last year.
from X to Y. Example,
The population grew from 1 million to 1.5 million in a decade.
so we've covered 8 ways to express increase. Using a variety of vocabulary helps you avoid repetition and boost your score. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement in your writing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.